Welcome to A-Tech. In this video, I will discuss how to fix Face ID not working after the update. So let's get started. If you're having trouble with Face ID, follow these steps. First go to Settings, then scroll down, and tap on Face ID in Passcode. Enter your passcode to proceed. Now scroll down to find the Reset Face ID option. Simply tap on it. However, if you see an error saying Face ID cannot be reset, while stolen device protection is on, you need to disable this feature first. To turn off stolen device protection, navigate to Stolen Device Protection right from here, but keep in mind that it will ask for Face ID verification. If Face ID is not working, you would not be able to turn it off, which means you also cannot reset Face ID directly. The only solution in this case is to back up your iPhone either to a PC, Mac or iCloud, then perform a full factory reset. Once your device is erased and set up as new, you can restore your backup and reconfigure Face ID from scratch. Unfortunately, there's no alternative method if stolen device protection is preventing Face ID from resetting. Apple introduced stolen device protection as an added security measure, which is great for keeping your data safe, but it can sometimes create roadblocks when troubleshooting Face ID problems. By following these steps, you'll be able to reset Face ID and keep your device secure. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates.